India Today had the biggest team of reporters on ground zero right from 2 in the morning, and we get you some of the reports that we filed right when the stampede took place to the situation in the hospital.
The road in this direction goes up to the Sangam Nose, where the devotees are going for their holy dip, and you can steadily see a stream of ambulances coming to the Sangam Nose and going back from this area. If you look at this entire area, you will see it bustling with the devotees. The security personnel are having a very tough time trying to stop the people, and even for the ambulance to pass by is a tough ask. So we have seen ambulances streaming, and you can see another one that's coming right behind. There are ambulances which are going to the Sangam Nose and coming back from the area. It is a huge task for the entire administration, for the security forces here, with devotees supposed to touch the number of devotees coming here for Holy Dip on Mauni Amavasya supposed to touch at least 10 crores. You can see ambulances streaming one after the other. You've seen 2 go that side. Now there are at least 4 ambulances. Another one which is going back from this side. And the ambulances are constantly streaming towards the Sangam Nose. It is a tough situation for all the security personnel. You can see the ambulances with emergency medical services, the ICU facilities in these ambulances making their way, trying to make their way to the Sangam Nose.
Constantly for the past about 45 minutes, ambulances are rushing in. Ambulances are bringing people who were caught in that massive crowd. By and large, what we've seen is people right now are being wheeled into the hospital. More doctors have been called in, but we're still waiting for an official word on those who've been injured. There are several relatives who are still outside waiting for their loved ones, waiting for any information about their loved ones. But the hospital administration and the Uttar Pradesh police are asking them to wait for doctors to examine those who've been brought to this hospital and only then give an official word.
मौनी अमावस्या पर प्रयागराज महाकुंभ में आई भीषण भीड़ को देखते हुए प्रशासन के भी हाथ पैर फूले हुए हैं, क्योंकि भगदड़ हुई है और भगदड़ की वजह से कई लोगों की मौत हो गई है। वो सारे लोग संगम नोज पर ही स्नान करना चाहते हैं। यही वजह है कि प्रशासन तो लोगों को डाइवर्ट करना चाहता है, लेकिन लोग किसी भी सूरत में, किसी भी कीमत पर संगम की तरफ ही जाना चाहते हैं और वहीं स्नान के लिए जाने के लिए जिद पर अड़े हैं। यही वजह है कि ये पूरा मार्ग, इस मार्ग से संतों महंतों को अमृत स्नान करने के बाद वापसी की यात्रा करनी थी, लेकिन वो वापसी की यात्रा मार्ग पर लोगों की भीषण भीड़ है। जहां उनके रथों की, वाहनों की पार्किंग होनी थी, वहां भी भीड़ है, और उधर जहां से संतों महंतों को शोभा यात्रा के साथ यहां शाही स्नान के लिए यानी अमृत स्नान के लिए आना था, वहां भी लोगों को रखा गया है, क्योंकि भीड़ इतनी अनियंत्रित हो गई है।
And we are now being told that just in a short while from now that Amrit Snan or the Shahi Snan will begin. This entire area is now being cleared of all the pilgrims who were already taking a dip at the Sangam, and the pontoon bridges are also being cleared. The other devotees who are coming in, they are being diverted to all the other ghats, so that the Sangam Ghat is now left open for the 13 akhadas for their Amrit Snan. The parampara, the administration tells us, the system that's been going on for centuries must continue. They're looking at this incident that took place, the stampede, as a blip on the otherwise bigger canvas